Stay tuned to see how quick and easy it is to make a project with this last chance transfer rise and shine. Well, hello, my name is Deborah. Welcome to my channel, Crafty Chalk Creations. I'm an independent designer of Chalk Couture, and today's project is going to be with the last chance rise and shine transfer. I'm going to be using a Sylvia board, which is no longer available, but you can use any surface that you would like. So let's get started with the project. Okay, the first thing I need to do before I start my project is I need to pull my transfer off its backing sheet. Be sure to keep the backer sheet because you're going to want to use that to put your transfer back on there once you wash and clean it. Then I need to fuzz my transfer because these are sticky, which means they're reusable. They can use them anywhere from 8 to 12 times according to Chalk Couture. And I'm using the fuzzing cloth. You can use a towel or whatever you have on hand, like a t-shirt or sweatshirt. So I'm going to go ahead and fuzz this a couple times before I apply this to my surface. Okay, now that I have this fuzz, I'm going to apply this to my surface. This is a Sylvia board. Now, like I said earlier, this is no longer available, but you can use any frame surface that you like. Just make sure if it is wood or a painted surface that you use a surface wax to make sure that your transfer does not stick to it too well. Otherwise, you could burn and distort your transfer. I'm just kind of lining it up and I eyeball it. You are welcome to measure if you like to be precise. But you just go ahead and I put it on there. And then what I do is I use my finger, I go up, down, and then I go side to side, and I just kind of smooth things over, make sure I don't have any little fuzzy lumps and bumps or anything like that to prevent my transfer from having good contact with the surface. Okay, now that I think my transfer's down pretty well on my surface, I'm going to grab my jar of paste. I'm going to be using black velvet. Now this paste is water soluble, so that means you can clean it with water. And I'm going to use my small squeegee and I'm going to dip it into my jar of paste. Now with a bevel edge, okay, because your squeegee has a bevel edge, I'm going to generously apply it to my transfer. Now this has a mesh screening, so it's kind of like a silk transfer, and then you just apply the paste to it. And you just make sure that you have good coverage. Now, like I said earlier at the beginning of this video, this is a last chance transfer. This means that Chalk Couture is pulling it off the website, and if you'd like to get it, I will post a link down below in the description box. And I will also have a editable shopping cart link, so if you'd like to get any of the other products that I have been showing you during this video, you're more than welcome to go ahead and shop that if you would like to. But as I'm just generously applying this, making sure that I've got good coverage on my transfer here. Now the lettering I'm going to be doing in black. Now you can choose whatever colors that you would like to choose. Like I said, that shopping cart is editable, or you may already have some other paste colors that you would like to do. But I just decided I would do this in the black. And I'm just making sure I've got everything good and covered. Now I'm going to scrape off the excess back into my jar from applying the paste. Now I'm going to go back over this and I'm going to scrape off the excess. So that way I have good even coverage. As you can see, some of the transfer you can see through some of the paste. That way you know you have even coverage, and that way it will dry evenly. I got to be a little careful there around the cups. Now you can use this transfer entirely as is if you would like to. You can just use the cups. You can use certain words of the transfer if that's what you would like to do. You are in total control of being able to design your piece of art the way you want to be able to do that. Now that I'm done with the black velvet, I'm going to go to the camel, and I'm going to do one of the cups in the camel color, and I'm going to be using my mini squeegee for that. Same process, just generously apply it. Now you can do your cups whatever color you would like. I made this as a gift for my my son's coffee bar, and these are the colors in his home, so this went very well with it. Now, same thing, I'm just scraping off the excess. Make sure I have good even coverage. Almost there. Now, at any point during this video you like it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell for whenever I do another video. I would greatly appreciate it. It would help me with YouTube. Now I'm just cleaning off my squeegee because I don't want to cross-contaminate, because I'm going to do the cup in another color, and I'm going to be using the Storm Gray color for the other cup. Same process. I mean, this goes really quick and easy. Just scrape off the excess there. See some of the design. Pretty much done. Putting my cap back on there. And now it's time for the peel and reveal. I start at the corners, I might work my way to the middle, and then you slowly lift up your transfer. So that way, if you maybe missed a spot, you can lay it back down and just touch it up. So far, it's looking pretty good. Now, this is an edited version. I do have a full-length version that gives you a little bit more details on this, and I will post a link down to that video down below in the description box. I just wanted to make sure that you had an opportunity to know this is a last chance transfer, and that way, if you like it, you want to be able to get it, you didn't miss on that chance. All right, that's pretty much how the project is. It is that quick and it is that easy. I do hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to get this transfer if you enjoy the coffee, and it is a cute, funny saying. All right, you have a beautiful day, and thank you for watching.